Go over there.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Hello, my name's Allison, and we're it's hot. Making a huge campfire. You can see. We're gonna have marshmallows. They're in the house, and we're gonna make some marshmallow sticks. We also have pigs. One of the pigs already gave birth to 10 babies. One of them died by one of the mom went on top of one of the babies.
Yeah,
And
but there's still 10 left.
There's still 10 left. And I think one is about to have some maybe, so we should go down there and check. Because she was acting like she needed to like get birth. And we have one more pig. Her name is Sloppy Ears. Me and Dad believe she's not very pregnant, or she's not pregnant, because her tummy's not getting low, and we think she's gonna have just a little baby, right, Dad?
Yeah, I think maybe in another month.
Yeah, maybe in another month. I don't think she's gonna be like today, like the others, I think. So
Right.
let's.
Nice headlamp, Chief.
What?
Nice headlamp.
Thanks, Dad. So we should go down there and check.
All right, ready?
Uh-huh.
All right, say bye.
Bye.